Good. My report him out. This is Askwari Mampong.
Okay.
Na video wo shey. Na ya ma me audio no aha. Na me ma tie phone tie ade. Eye Akwatia line.
Oh, okay.
Na de tie nie. This is the MCE. Abrantie no a. Wo de wo share video ni di abrantie ba ko beba. Good. A video no ebe tania ma akoto ne so. Yes, as na ya no boy chikakra na ya fam. Now this man, yes, or pretty public toilet oh. We say for mu didi am fa nche me. But ade we ya ka ho asem ko kan na no dey see wo yi. Dey see wo atwemu mu hoyi. Nya no e na obi ayi na. You see, omu trimu odin, omu ye wicked. Oni. Yes, obie ne you know, ne or discharge ni waste no. Na daga tem wo ho. Me say ade ye course weekend di Friday.
Akoma
Any Saturday.
87.9 Kumasi.
Ebie ye ni. Hwe, ebie ye ni pa. Enti MCE no omugu so omo ye adwuma. Akwa no kra no wote ba bi chese adwuma no nya nso be bi. O beduru ho a. Akwa ina yeso wa bie. Pampan yeso mo complainia omo fa. Enti MCE no anopay me will try and get him. No boy to understand exactly what happened because in this video of our phone I say commander way mumpe commander mami. Now or that the arrest of that young man.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And today tie we tie. What dey tie? I mean boy am. Mem potem.
Mother, come.
Mem potem. Ai, osema man nkome me lock no. Today her video ni din. Share video ni din. You understand? All over.
Guys, Jara what I Jara will shine me.
Ha.
My father is
yes.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow what house I know.
Let me lock him up right now. That is a when you tell us you you grab him. I'll let them lock him right now.
See, what is some for lock him?
Grab him, I'll let them lock him right now.
What's here? Toilet the public toilet engine that
Yeah, no, be here for the beer.
And you see, Saturday way, you better home come up. I want to get the MCE on this very matter because hey, and I say ye bia. I had a call. Someone sent me videos. So, enti when say be a hostel be public toilet. Who say who da say ya be betwe. That be aso krofo so. Enti e fine. Ajubo si akon. Let's do related story.
In fact, sa ankomo we die. Ade e ha adwen of late am say ade e koso okrumu ano no. Both public and private will be the oye no fie ni ade dodo na o makonnect to journeys omu sani nsuo no gum sa. You see nana yenko o de yenya MC ya yenhwe ahade no ahensan estate ane anraga ho no so de no na ofa ahensan ho no mo a estate ho no Susan na da free Susan so abetwa mu abeto hade no uduru ahinsan estate wo be o my Bank of Ghana bridge no efiri honom eko ebewura nwura no ehonum no se John 1 enoma